Murin, also known as La Sultana del Guarapiche, is the cultural and economic heart of Monagas city state. With a growing business hub and emerging tourism scene, including farm estates and city tours, the city offers a range of accommodations from luxury resorts to cozy guest houses. Here are the top 10 hotels in Murin to suit every traveler's style and budget. The first one is Tibisai Hotel Murin. Located just a short drive from Murin city center on Avenida Bella Vista, Tibisai offers stylish rooms, a well-maintained outdoor pool, fitness center, and garden terrace. Despite its upscale amenities, nightly rates are very reasonable, typically between $65 and $75 per night. Although some premium rooms may reach around $100, it is a popular pick for business and upscale travelers. The second one is Mauritius Largo Resort. Set a few kilometers outside central Maturin along Via La Cruz, this resort combines spacious grounds with full service amenities and swimming areas. Great for weekend relaxation, guests rate it highly for its green landscaping and tranquil ambience. Typical nightly rates range around US $120 to $130, making it a comfortable mid to upper mid range option. The third one is Hotel San Miguel Golf and Club. Located near the major highway west of the city, San Miguel offers golf courses, views, event space, and in-house dining, making it ideal for corporate or layer stays. Rooms are clean and modern, with rate generally between US $90 and $110 per night. The club facilities and open grounds provide a peaceful retreat for guests. The fourth one is Grand Hotel CCP Suites. Situated within the Ciudad Commercial Petro Orient area, just a short walk from shopping malls and offices, this contemporary hotel features compact rooms, conference spaces, and free parking. Nightly rates normally start around $95 to $110, offering convenience for business travelers and mall shoppers. The next hotel is Stuffer Maturin. This upscale hotel located on Avenida Elirio Ugarte Pelayo near downtown institution provide over 200 well-maintained rooms, a restaurant and meeting facilities. Although simple in decor, it is dependable, solid mid-range choice and typically prices room around US $120 to $130 per night. The next one is Venetur Majorin. A little over 3 miles from the city center, this upscale Venetur hotel offers spacious rooms, an outdoor pool, and garden patios. With regional hospitality and property maintenance consistent with resort standards, rates usually range from US $100 to $120 per night, well suited for airport access and layer visitors. The next one is Hotel Monagas Internacional. Located near Central Maturin, this mid-tier hotel features air-conditioned rooms, basic amenities, and easy access to local markets and plazas. Nightly rates are around $60 to $70, making it a practical stop for tour groups or budget-conscious travelers. The next one is Casa de Luis Pedias Maturin. This guest house style launching close to the city center provides spacious rooms, shared lounge space, and contemporary Wi-Fi and parking. With glowing reviews and scores above 9 out of 10, it is one of the most high rated stay in Maturin. Usually priced between US $80 and $90 per night. The second last is Hotel Carina Maturin. Found within a few miles of downtown, Hotel Carina offers personalized service, modern rooms, and a small wellness area. It has earned very favorable rating of 9 plus with nightly rates around US $90 to $95, appealing to travelers seeking comfort without extra amenities. The last one is Caripe Buena Vista Lounge. Situated just outside Michorin in a rural setting, this eco lodge offers scenic views, lush grounds, and relaxed guest rooms, often with spa or outdoor pool access. Ideal for resort escapes close to the city. Typical rates fall around $110 to $130 per night. Whether you are in Michorin for business, local events, or countryside exploration, these hotels provide options for every preference and price point. From elegant boutique stays and convenient city center lodging to relaxed countryside resorts, you will cover well. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video.